Friends, welcome back. We have a problem here about two partners, Suchi and Ruchi, who are sharing their profit in the ratio 3:2, and they are admitting Ron for 1/5 share. This 1/5 share is given to us in terms of sharing from Suchi as 3 by 20th share of Suchi and 1 by 20th share of Ruchi. Two steps to understand this problem is first one, 3 by 20th of Suchi. That means what? And if 3 by 20 is given from Suchi and 1 by 20 is given from Ruchi, then the total share becomes 4 by 20, and simplifying this 4 by 20 will give us the 1 by 5th share which Ron is getting. So solving this problem step by step. The first step, the old ratio being 3:2, the whole pizza here is split into three parts of Suchi and two parts of Ruchi, which is given here in this diagram. So now going to understand what is the meaning of 3 by 20th share of Suchi. If you see this, we will understand that Suchi's component of share is 3 parts out of total 5 parts. That is why we denote it as 3 by 5. And what is the meaning of Suchi's sacrifice of 3 by 20th share? That means the 3 parts which Suchi is having is being split or cut into 20 pieces, and out of that 3/5 which is cut into 20 pieces, 3 parts 1, 2, 3 goes to Ron. How do we solve this in using numbers is by doing 3 by 5 minus 3 by 20, and here as a process of subtraction we need to get the LCM for the denominators, and we have 12 by 20 minus 3 by 20, which is 9 by 20. This is the first step for solving Suchi's sacrifice of 3 by 20. Similarly, we go to solve the issue or the sacrifice by Ruchi, which is 1 by 20. Here, two parts belonging to Ruchi out of the total 5 parts. Similarly, these two parts again cut into 20 parts, and among these 20 parts, one part goes to Ron, and that is being solved here. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 20, which is taking LCM 8 by 20 minus 1 by 20, and we yield 7 by 20. Similarly, to check whether what we have solved is correct or wrong, we go to solve the checking procedure, which is 3 by 20 plus 1 by 20, which is the Ron share, which is 4 by 20, and solving 4 by 20, we get the gaining ratio of 1 by 5. Suchi's new ratio is 9 by 20, Ruchi's new ratio is 7 by 20, and adding up all these 7 by 20, 9 by 20, and 4 by 20, we will get 20 by 20, which is a whole new pizza. That means what we have solved is correct. If you have understood, take up this challenge of solving this problem, which is similar to the problem that we have solved now. Nina and Meena are sharing profits in the ratio 4:3. They wanted to admit Sheena in as a business partner for 3/7 share in the profits which she is acquired from Nina, 2/7 share from Nina, and 1/7 from Meena. Find the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio of the old partners. Post your answers in the comment box below. One more tip to understand what is sharing, and if we are trying to understand the existing problem between Suchi and Ruchi, where Ron is being given some parts from both the partners, what do we understand from this? Suchi was having earlier a larger piece, and from the bigger piece she is sacrificing something. So this is called the old ratio, this is called the new ratio. Whenever we try to solve the problem as in old ratio minus new ratio, what happens is the old ratio is larger compared to the new because there is some part which goes to Ron, and this ratio is called the sacrificing ratio or the reduction in share. Thank you for watching video. If you like the video, subscribe for the channel for future updates. Thank you.